Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Blessing here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create AI videos like this.
Since I started rubbing this cream, my skin has turned to yellow. Let me go and ask Mama Cynthia what she sold to me.
And this.
Your baby is so pretty. What's her name?
Thank you. Her name is Rita. Please help me hold my child. Let me go and spray the couple some money.
I'm sure you've been seeing videos like this on your FYP on most social media platforms. Yes, these videos are monetizable, and a lot of creators are making money from this type of videos. So I need you to stick to the end of this video so that you can get my step-to-step tutorial on how to create videos like this. Now we're going to be working with the Grok AI. Before, the Grok AI was free, but right now you have to pay $48 for a month in order to use the Grok AI. But the way I generate my videos, I use the Grok AI for free, right? Without paying, but it is stressful and you need to create a lot of Gmails. So I'm going to be teaching you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create this, right? Using the Grok AI. So what I want you to do right now is to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download Grok, right? So just type in Grok and you download it and come back to this video. If you have downloaded the Grok AI, then we can continue with our tutorial. So after downloading the Grok AI, I need you to create a new Gmail and use that Gmail to sign up on the Grok AI, right? So after signing up in Grok AI, there will be an interface that will show up where you'll be asked to input your card details. If you're using an iPhone and your card details is already saved on your Apple store, right? You can just go ahead and use your Apple Store directly. But if it's not saved on your Apple Store, you need to go to your Apple Store and save your card details there. Mind you, you can use only Visa card and MasterCard. Verif card is not allowed, right, for Apple. So after inputting your card details, I would advise that you use an account that no money is in. That is, no money is in the account, right? Because we want to use the Grok AI app for free, right? So yeah. Okay. After inputting your details in your Apple Store, then you sign up on Grok and you'll be given a 3 days free trial. I think as of last week, it was 6 days free trial they give. But when I did my own yesterday, they gave me only 3 days free trial. So you can try yours and see how many days free trial you will be given. Regardless of the days of free trial you'll be given, all we want is to be able to use the Grok AI for free to generate our videos and also deactivate the subscription before the number of days of free trial you were given would expire, right? So if I am giving 3 days free trial, I'm going to use the Grok AI for 3 days, and on the third day, before the time for it to really subscribe from my account, I'm going to deactivate. I'm going to unsubscribe so that money will not be taken from my account, right? So I've used AI for 3 days, and then I am going to create another Gmail again, a new Gmail this time around, and then sign up. Use that new Gmail to sign up on Grok again and also get another 3 days free trial. So that is what you continue doing. In order not to create a lot of Gmails, I would advise that when you create a new Gmail, that is, and you are given the number of days of free trials, for example, 3 days free trial, I would advise that you use that 3 days to generate a lot of videos from Grok. And I think the number of videos you can generate from Grok is unlimited. So just use the number of free trials you are given to generate a lot of videos for that time. And then you can generate as much videos as you want and post. So you keep doing this until another app is out for us to use to generate our AI videos. So if you've stuck around till the end of this video, welcome to my page. I'm Blessing and I am a social media coach. I need you to give me a subscribe and also like this video and drop a meaningful comment on what you want me to coach you on next time. See you in my next video. Bye.